already? Ah. Time for a fresh start.
These are nice and warm. Ah, just what I needed. Yeah, Dad, yeah.
Ah, good morning, world. Do you remember when we first met at the park?
Oh, I do. You were wearing that same sweater vest.
Oh no. What time is it? I'm late. I'm late. Smells incredible in here.
This happened during the war, I remember it clearly.
Wow, you've never told me that.
Oh yes, he used to tell me that story all the time.
Yawn. Yawn.
I tell you, that squirrel was smarter than any fox I ever saw.
Oh, Grandpa, you always say that. No, he had this to Mom.
Morning, darling. Breakfast is ready.
Here's some for you.
Oh,
Looks delicious. Yum.
This is delicious. Indeed, just like you remember.
Here's some for you.
Oh,
Looks delicious. Yum.
Okay, let's get these buttons done.
Thanks, Mom.
Looking very smart now. Have a good day. All right, let's get you ready to go.
Thank you, Mom.
All right, buddy, in you go. Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad. Have a great day, you two.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's beautiful, isn't it, son?
Bye, Dad. Goodbye, sport. Have a great day.
Time to get this place spotless. You're doing a great job, honey.
How was your day? Good. Here you go, Nana.
Oh, thank you, Sarah.
Nana, look at the yummy food. And for you, sweetheart.
It smells delicious.
Wow, this looks amazing. Yum, so good.
This soup is delicious. Isn't it just?
Perfect on a day like this.
I know, I agree.
Ah, finally home.
Isn't that silly, dear?
It is, Nana. It's my favorite part.
I knew you'd love it.
You wouldn't believe what happened at work today.
No way, tell us everything.
Oh, that's just wonderful.
Look, it's a dinosaur.